So the question is that what drives natural rate of unemployment? Well, natural rate of unemployment is caused by a combination of frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. What exactly is this frictional unemployment? Suppose I'm a new worker or I'm a worker who is out of a job. I'll take some time to find a new job. So the period for which I'm unemployed, that is frictional unemployment, though it is short-lived. Why do you think should frictional unemployment arise? It arises because I am who is a worker who wants to get into a new job. I want to find a job which is better suited for me. I'll take some time to find that job. I will not take up the first job into which I'll get into. Similarly, the employer with whom I want to work, he will also take some time to find a worker. He will not get on with the first worker who is coming for an interview with him. So this is frictional unemployment. Second is structural unemployment. Suppose I'm a worker and I'm out of the job. I'm out of a job for a long time, probably 6 months or more, because I don't have a skill. I don't have a skill, or I've been displaced because of some improvements. So that is structural unemployment. So, what do you think will drive the changes in natural rate of unemployment? The changes in natural rate of unemployment will be driven by the fact that what causes the changes in frictional unemployment and the changes in structural unemployment. When do you think frictional unemployment will be impacted? By what sources it will be impacted? In case if government is going to pass a law that you can lay off the workers easily for firms. Or I'm a laid off worker, government is going to give me incentives for some time at least. Or I'm an unemployed worker and I can easily find the jobs which have vacancies. What do you think will cause the changes in structural unemployment or impact the structural unemployment? In case if there is a major technological shift, there is a requirement of new educational skill for the particular job. So all of these will affect the structural unemployment. Okay. Now, in case of a recession time, you find this that unemployment rate increases. Okay. So labor force, the pool of labor force is equal to the pool of employed workers plus pool of unemployed workers. So L is the labor force, U is the unemployed workers, E is the employed workers. So L is equal to U plus E. So the unemployment rate for an economy U is the ratio of the unemployed workers to the labor force. And say UN is the natural rate of unemployment. There might be some workers who are losing their jobs in a given period with some rate, say S. And there are fraction of unemployed workers who can find the jobs in a given period with the rate, say F. So the total number of workers who will find the total number of unemployed workers who will find the job in a given period is FU. And the total number of employed workers who will lose their jobs in the given period is SE. So E is nothing but, your L is nothing but U plus E. So E is nothing but L minus U. So it could be written as S into LU. What happens in boom? more people can find jobs than the people who can lose job. So FU would be greater than SC. In time of recession, what happens? More people can lose job than people who can gain job. So SE is greater than FU. Well, the natural rate of unemployment is the rate of unemployment that prevails when the economy is neither in boom. When is economy in boom? When unemployment rate is falling, or it is in recession when the unemployment rate is rising. So the two rates must be equal. So FU is equal to SL minus U. You can write this as equal to S plus FU is equal to SL. UN is U by L. So the rate of unemployment that prevails during such time, you have an equation S plus FU is equal to SL. So you can calculate the value of U by L, which is nothing but S upon S plus F. So this is the unemployment rate.